Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video, this is part 5 of making Brawl Stars in scratch. Let's get started. So go to File, save as a copy, and now it's save as copy, so F5. Okay, in this video we will code the text sprite and the in-game text. Okay, go to the text sprite. When I receive game mode select, delete this clone, and now let's make a new custom block called write text input text label color input color label direction input direction label brightness and input brightness. Run without screen refresh. Equals to an equal, and if the input direction is equal to 1, wait. Oh, so now we got to make a new variable called y for this spread only. So y to 1, and in the else set I to length in the operators of text. Now set color effect to color, set brightness effect to brightness, repeat length of text, switch costume to both operators, letter I of text, say the project, create call myself, equals, if direction is equal to 1, change x by put a divide, and in the left side put a times 60 times size divided by 100. Okay. And change I by 1. And in the else, duplicate this and change x by with negative 60 and change I by negative 1. Save the project. Okay. When I receive character screen, if not, and not put anything, and if not, do this column forever broadcast delete text. We haven't it. Yes, we haven't it. So a new message called delete text. Go to x 220 ly 157. So here put the block, write text, go to the variables. No, we haven't it. So make a new variable. Oh, yes, we have it. Coins. Write text coins. Color 0. Direction -1. And brightness 100. Save the project. Change x by -10. Clear graphic effect. And switch custom to coin pick. The customs are the bank, the 0, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one, the coin pick. And curriculum myself. Now let's put when I receive main menu, stop other scripts in Sprite, set size 225, go to x -186 and y 157, broadcast delete text. Here write text, coins variable, color 0, direction 1, and brightness 0. Go to x, 220 for the x, and y 157. Now the right text. Wait, oh, here for the coins. Oh, wait guys. Coins. Duplicate. Coins, color 0, direction -1, and brightness 1. Sorry, 100. Change X by -10. Clear graphic effects. And switch costume to coin pick. Create clone myself. When I receive start game, delete this clone. When I receive trophies, here, delete this clone. Okay. When I start as a clone, show. When I receive delete text, delete this clone. And finally, when green flag clicked, hide. So make sure you have 72 bucks. Save the project and go to the sprite in game text. When green flag clicked, hide. When I receive game over, here, show, go to X, 0 and Y 110, set size to 75, and go to front layer, if false, if unequal, if single player is equal to 1, to the if a lesser than, if player 1 HP is lesser than 1, switch costume to 2, if, well, let's duplicate. If, here put it, if player player 2 HP, wait, where is it? Here. I don't know what are these variables here. So let's delete them. Player 2. Okay, if player 2 HP less than 1, switch costume to 1. And else, duplicate all of this. And if player 1 HP, is lesser than 1, switch costume to 4. And if player 2 HP is lesser than 1, switch costume to 3. Set ghost effect to 100. Repeat 10 times. Change ghost effect by -10. Wait 2.5 seconds. Wait, 2.5. Broadcast main menu and broadcast menu music. When I receive main menu, hide. So make sure you have 34 bucks. Now let's use something change. We're in single player. Trophies, we have 0, index 0. So let's see. Well, we will as a hitbox. Maybe we can tell that in the next tutorial. Let's play multiplayer. See what happened. Oh, it's almost the same thing. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We have 700 bucks. So bye bye.